So the first question, basically following those 6 steps. Do you remember the 6 steps? U equal the thing inside the power, you remember that? And then what do? Derivative, so that is 1. Rearrange for, so dy is by itself. And then we sub in this and this into here. So we subbed in that, we subbed in that. We still have a y left over, so there's an extra step. So y equals u minus 3. So we make y isolated. So we get rid of that y and we have u minus 3. Okay, once we do that, we need to integrate. First we've got to expand. So u times u to the 4 is... So now we can integrate. It's just the basic integral rule. Add 1 to the power divided by... Add 1 to the power, it becomes divided by the new power plus c. So we got this as the integral. So we need to have it in terms of y. So we sub back in this one. So you're left with, instead of u, that, and again instead of u, so is the derivative present? The derivative of this is present. So we can use basically the same 6 rules we just did. So what's u equal to? A squared plus 14a. Very good. Second step, find du in terms of dA. 2a plus 14. Not quite what we have there, so we could factorize it like that. And now we want to get dA by itself because we're going to sub in for dA. And now we sub in this and this. Instead of dA, we sub in this. So what happens to the a plus 7s? And we can bring the 2, which is a half, out the front because it's a coefficient. What's the integral of sine? Negative cos. And so we sub, we don't want any u's, so we sub again back in. So hopefully you got that answer. Alright, I'm going to go through this one. So there's a power, there's a function inside a power. It's u equals the thing inside the power. Isolate dx. Sub everything in. Bring the constants out the front. When we integrate, what do we do with the power? We add 1, divide by the new fraction. So there's negative 2 under the fraction, and we add 1 to the power. Sorry, 1 over u3 is equal to u, negative 3. So if we add 1 to the power, we got u2.
615 divided by negative 1. So then it's 615 times 1.
All right, last one. There's no thing inside a power, is there? No. So it looks similar to the first one, the third one, doesn't it? They look similar. So hopefully you have your formula sheet in front of you. If we factorize the bottom row by 3, what's left over? So if you look on your formula sheet, we have A divided by x squared plus a squared. So let's bring this 3 out the front. Integral of that according to your formula sheet. So it becomes tan negative 1 or arctan x over 5 plus c.